is your mommy? Where's your daddy? Or is Brayden? No, Brayden went to school. Where's Kenna? Where's McKenna? McKenna went to school. Where's Morgan? Right there. Okay, let's go to Jayla now, okay? Hi, Jayla. Where's mommy? Mommy went to work. Where's Jojo? Went to school. What? What'd you say? Mommy went to work?
My mom went to work.
I know. Where's Alex?
My mommy she work.
What?
My mommy's home.
She work? Where's daddy? Where is your brother?
I'm a school.
Oh, good job. Where's mommy, Vivian?
Yung nanay niya nag-pick up sa kapon, di ba?
Yeah, nagtatatakbo na naman. Nagtatatakbo na naman.
I wanna buy. I'm like,
You gotta wait for your turn. Where's your mommy?
back boy.
Where's your daddy? Where is Sisi?
Wala, sinusundan ako. Yung
May sasakyan ka na. May
thank you, face.
Hi, mom.
What? Okay, you wanna see? Say hi.
I want to stick.
Say hi, Xander baby. What's your name? I can't hear you. Come here. What's your name? Xander baby. Okay, your name's Xander baby.